In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to fix printer is not visible or cannot print in Microsoft Excel. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to navigate at the keyboard, press Windows key and R key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up a small window called Run. Here, please type for regedit. It is REGEDIT, and click on OK to continue. So in a few seconds, you will be receiving a notification where your user account control is asking you to say yes to run the system. Just click on yes so that you can continue. So from here, you need to navigate to the left pane where you can see a list of keys. Please proceed with this one, hkey underscore current underscore user, and you need to double tap to expand the list and you need to proceed with the software. Once done, please double tap again and you need to go with the Microsoft, and here at the Microsoft, you need to double tap and proceed with the current version. Okay. So, but before that, before navigating to the current version first, sorry for that, you need to navigate first with the Windows NT. My bad, I'm so sorry. Okay. So anyway, you just have to go with Windows NT, double tap here, and there you can see current version as what I have said earlier. So here at the current version, you need to double tap again to expand the list. And this time you need to locate for three file folders, and these are devices, the printer ports, and the Windows. So again, we have just been into hkey underscore current underscore user. Then we navigate to the software. Then we choose for Microsoft. Then when we click on the Windows NT, we can see the current version. We select it. And here we navigate to this Windows current version. Okay. So here you need to proceed with the devices first. Okay. And then you need to make a right click. Go with permissions. Click on it. And the moment you've clicked on it, you would be able to see this one. So here you need to ensure that this all application packages is selected and click on this full control to give full access of that one, and then click on apply and then OK. Once done, please proceed with the printer ports, make a right click, go with permissions, and here you need to do the same, and that is to go with all application packages, click on full control, click on apply and then OK. Once done, please proceed with the Windows, make a right click, go with the permissions, do the same action, and that is to go with all application packages. Make sure it is full control, click on apply and then OK. Once you're good, close all of these paths that are being opened, and then you need to close the registry editor and check if your problem has been fixed. So bring up your Excel again, and here you need to navigate to the top left corner, click on File, and go with Print. And there you can see that the printer is now showing in your Windows 11. Okay, so as you can see, it is being placed here. So if you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.